What's up, YouTube? We back in this thing with another video. And today, man, I got something different going on. I'm up in the crib. I gotta get some shit done. But, man, I ain't really feeling it. Don't really want to do it. But let me show y'all what I got right quick. Alright, so about to take this down. This is my old TV right here. Hold on. Yeah, my old TV right here. It went out. It's a 65 Samsung Curve. And yeah, 65 Samsung Curve. That's just the sound bar to it right there. And it went out. It don't work. Stopped working. So I had to get a new TV. And this is how I had it up. You couldn't really see none of this because the TV and then the bar, you couldn't really see it. But I'm gonna do away with this. And I'm gonna put the wire in the wall. I'm not finna do it today, but I am gonna do it because I gotta get another TV stand also because this one old. So I'm about to take this mount down, and I got a new mount, so I'm about to put it up and hang the new TV up. I'm gonna leave this here for now until I get the thing to put in the wall. So I'm gonna put it in the wall here and drop it down there, and so I'll have the wires in the wall. No wires will be seen. All this will be gone. So that's what we about to do. So me and my boy about to take this down. Come take this down, cat. That's too big. Give me the next size. Put that up in the back on the, slap it on the. Let me see the other one. The next size. Right now. Hold on. Alright, we rolling with this one. Alright, here, put it on the gun. Got it on reverse?
Yep.
Sure. Make sure you put it on that straight. You got it on reverse?
Yeah.
Alright, and put it on that straight. Hold it with your hand. Yeah, like this. Hold it. There you go. Get the top one. Leave that right there for now. Get the top one. Hold it. Hit it. Alright, that's that on that. So we got that out. I'll take this thing down real quick. That thing was in the wall good. It stuck to the wall. It was up there. Pull the paint off. We ain't worried about that though. That thing was stuck. Alright, so let me get my other mount opened up and get it measured up, and I'm gonna put it on the wall. Alright, so I got the other mount down. It's right here. It's the old mount. It's not that long. This is my new mount. It's pretty long. Alright, so go with that for that sensor. Alright, so I got my stud finder here. Finna find the studs. Let's see if I can find them right quick. Stud right there. Right there. We know it's a stud right here where the holes was, where I already drilled it. See right there, stud. And it's gonna probably be another one, probably like right here. Right there, okay. Alright, so we're about to put the mount up. I'm gonna mark it off, and then we're gonna go ahead and slap that already looks like somebody had a mount right here before, all the way right there. Anyway, so we're about to slap this mount up here. Let me see. Probably like right there. Whoa. Hold that, Jack. Can you hold that? Alright, so like right here. Put the mount probably like right there. But I'm finna remake sure that I'm with the stud on this end. And this end, I ain't really worried about the 2 holes in the middle. I'm gonna try to get the holes on the end. The studs weren't far enough apart for me to put the other mount up the way I wanted to with the other TV. So I'm about to make sure the stud here on the end where I can catch. Make sure it's one here on this end where I can catch. And then we're gonna bolt this thing down. Alright, I got the mount up. Put 6 in it, not 4, but I got it up. So now I'm about to go get the other TV, take it out the box, and I'm finna try to get it put up on the wall. I got it centered pretty good, leveled out good. So let me come get this leveler, Tyree, from back here. Since you let it fall. Got it, let me see. Alright, so just so you can see it leveled up good. Got it level. So I'm gonna get the let me get this other TV right quick, get out the box, and I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna put this thing on the wall. Alright, so I got the the back part of the mount. Oh, this thing loose and shit. But I got the mount on here on the back. Got the mount on there so I can hang it up. And I got all the cords on here. Power cord right here. Optical cord right here. Optical, and I got HDMI's plugged up for the go in the wall. He right on time too. Alright, so I'm finna my help just came. So I'm about to pick this thing up, and we're about to hang it right there. So I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, it's up there, up on the wall. It's done. It's there. Got it there. Finish that thing on that. Alright, man, I just wanted to show y'all the TV mounted on the wall. So y'all get at me in the next video. Peace.